Good evening, students. Good evening. Welcome back to Devans's class. After a long time, I am back. And of course, we thank God that we are surviving after such a devastating cyclone. I hope you are all well, along with your all belongings and your parents, relatives, and friends. Let us start a new topic, and here, after the cyclone, we have to prove that it's me, is me, and you are you. Means, it's a peculiar thing. The thing is that we have to prove here that a rational number is irrational. It's not a rational number. Means I wanted to correlate. Of course, we are thankful to God and the nature that we are here and we are laughing now. But 2 days before, my God, what a condition it was in our city, Kolkata. All over Kolkata you will go and you will find out what has happened on that day, what had happened on that day. So, let us not remember that, let us be positive, let's look forward and let us prove that we are we. We belong to the country India. World famous India. Now India is coming into the picture, world's picture. Though it has been already in the world's picture, means what I mean to say is that India is becoming slowly, not developed, but in the eyes of other countries also. We are coming into the mainstream now, slowly. After this, of course, not after, it is still now, coronavirus, COVID-19 episode is still going on. The whole world is under lockdown. More than 3 lakh people are infected and even lakhs of people are dying all around the world. Hence, in that case, we have seen that China economy is still now stable. And just after China, India's name is rising. First largest populated country in the world, second largest populated country in the world. Others' economical condition has deteriorated. But we are still fighting. We have the dum. We will fight and we will take our country to the peak. East or west, India is the best. We have to prove, isn't it? So we have to prove. So same thing, an irrational number is an irrational number that we are going to prove. Let us take the first example. 3 root 7, suppose. Now if it is 3 root 7, let us assume that is equal to as P by Q, where P by Q is in simplest form and Q is not equal to 0. Rather, P and Q not equal to 0, both P and Q. Now here, or root 7 is equal to P by 3Q, isn't it, students? This Q in the left hand side of this 3 is multiplied, then in the right hand side when it will go to the denominator and it will be divided. So now P by Q is a rational number. Here P by 3Q is a rational number. rational number. Hence, root 7 is also a rational number. Do you agree? Root 7 is a rational number. We already know root 7 is not a rational number. Root 7 is equal to p by q. If p by q is a rational number, here, if p by q is a rational number, then let the language be like this. Here, if p by 3q is a rational number, then root 7 is also a rational number because root 7 is equal to p by 3q. This contradicts. Hence, root 7. Okay. Rational number which contradicts. The concept. Hence, root 7, 3 root 7 is an irrational number. Because any rational number multiplied by irrational number has to be irrational number. See, 3 was a rational number, but root 7 is an irrational number. If they are multiplied, it automatically becomes an irrational number. So hence, 3 root 7 is an irrational number. Okay, students? Copy it down. Let's move on to the next example. Now, example 2. Students, see, example 2. 2 plus root 3. See, here again, this 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. We have to prove it that it is an irrational number. So let us, by force, let us assume first that let 2 plus root 3 be a rational number. By force, we are assuming let 2 plus root 3 be a rational number. Or in that case, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 be a rational number, of course, it will be. Or root 3 is, because 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancelled, root 3 is a rational number. So root 3, would you agree root 3 is a rational number? No. This contradicts. That root 3 is a rational number. Hence, root 3 is an irrational number. Finished. Am I clear to all of you? 2 plus root 3, we have to prove. We know that 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. But we are asked to prove that this is a rational number. This is not a rational number. It's an irrational number. Proof. So we are initially assuming that let this be a rational number by force. So if 2 plus 3 is a rational number, then 2 plus 3 minus 2 is also a rational number. So see, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Root 3 is also a rational number in that case, as per this continuation. Root 3 is a rational number. No. That contradicts. We know root 3 is not a rational number. If root 3 is irrational, then 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Am I clear, students? Pause it, copy it down. Okay, students. Now let it be 4 minus root 3. We have to prove that this is an irrational number. We have to prove. We know that this is an irrational number. I told just now, before I started this session, I said, we have to prove each and every time that we, the Indians, same thing. Here again, we have to prove that even though we know that this is an irrational number, still we have to prove that this is an irrational number. So let it be, no problem. Let 4 minus root 3 be a rational number. Okay, students? Okay, then in that case, or 4 minus root 3 is a rational number. Continuity. Or 4 minus 4 plus root 3 is, because there is minus sign outside the bracket, this minus becomes plus, is a rational number. Or 4 cancelled, root 3 is a rational number. Do you agree? Root 3 is a rational number? No. So sum of a rational number and irrational number are irrational. Difference between a rational number and irrational number is also irrational. Hence, which contradicts, you will say, which contradicts that root 3 is rational. Hence, 4 minus root 3 is irrational. Proved? Okay, students? Pause the video, copy this down. Okay, students, now let us start. 5 minus 2 root 3. So, how to do this? Same, we have to prove that this is an irrational number. So let it be, let 5 minus 2 root 3 be a rational number. Okay. Or 5 minus 2 root 3 minus 5 is a rational number. Or open the bracket, 5 minus 2 root 3, then minus 5 is a rational number. Or 5 gone, minus 2 root 3 is a rational number, which again contradicts 2 root 3, product of an irrational number root 3 and a rational number 2 is always irrational number. So, which again contradicts that minus 2 root 3 is rational. Hence, 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Proved? So like this, you can create your own examples, even though I will try to put the questions along with this video exercise. Try to these exercises. If any problem, you can send the picture of your problem in my WhatsApp, and my phone number will be there in the left hand side of your screen. That won't be my WhatsApp number. You will ring me in the evening hours. I'll give you my WhatsApp number if you don't have my WhatsApp number, or you can write down in the comment section also about your problem, or you can send your pictures in my WhatsApp number. When you will call me, I'll give you my WhatsApp number. You will send a picture of your problem. I'll solve it, and then again I'll send a picture of the solution. Okay, students? Hope you have understood what I tried to explain you. Then keep proving that east or west, India is the best. Keep proving the irrational numbers are irrational with your own example. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.